On the Ickonic Connect the News show this week, another catastrophe report on climate change from the United Nations. Actually, another pack of bloody lies to justify dystopia. In the United States, the government says it's going to arrest 1,000 or more extra protesters from January the 6th, despite the release of thousands and thousands of hours of security camera footage from inside the Capitol building, showing that the government has been lying to us monumentally about what happened that day. And Oxfam has a problem with the English language. Maybe it's time to have a problem with Oxfam. That's the Ickonic Connect the News show from 7 p.m. every Friday, and you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.